am so excited to present to you this incredible 930 square meter plot of land available for sale at Almond City Estate, okay, which is located in a prime location of Centenary City, Enugu. Now, this is a prime investment opportunity you do not want to miss out on, okay? It's selling for 56 million naira and it has a deed of assignment and power of attorney. This is amazing, right? Now, this land is situated in a highly sought after location of Centenary City and it offers a peaceful and secure environment for you and your family, all right? Now, there are a few things that makes this land very special, okay? Number one is that this plot is in the ideal location, okay? You get to enjoy easy access to schools, hospitals, shopping centers, and major transportation routes, okay? It's even 5 minutes drive from town, which makes it perfect for you and your family, right? Now, this land boasts a generous size, providing arm space for your dream home. Like anything you want to build, you can actually build in this amazing property. Almond City offers a host of modern amenities to enhance your lifestyle. From the well-maintained roads and reliable electricity to the water supply and a dedicated security system just for you, okay? Your comfort and convenience will always be a priority to everybody in charge of this amazing estate, right? Now, by securing this plot of land, by securing this amazing plot of land, you are not only securing a piece of real estate, but also a promising future as property value will continue to rise every day, okay? So do not miss out on this amazing opportunity to own a piece of Almond City Estate, okay? We also have a plot of land that is 600 square meter and 1,000 square meter just for you in case you need something bigger or something smaller, okay? So call me or WhatsApp me on the number that is displayed on your screen to arrange a site visit and explore the possibilities that awaits you. All right, see you. I cannot wait to show you how beautiful Almond City is.